Students, today we will discuss another important question, that is economics a study of wealth? In this question, you will write the wealth definition of economics. So first of all, you will write down the meaning. That means this definition, it is given by Professor Adam Smith, and economics is a subject that studies the nature of wealth and its production, consumption, exchange and distribution, etc. After that, you can write the definition which is given by Adam Smith or J.B. Say or Walker or Senior or J.S. Mill. Then you will write about the features of wealth definition. The first feature is economics. It is a study of wealth only. So according to Adam Smith, the purpose of study of economics is to increase the wealth of a nation. Its studies include the consumption, production, exchange and distribution of wealth. The second main feature of this definition is nature or meaning of wealth. Now, the term wealth in these definition, it is used to signify those material goods which are scarce in nature. Now, material goods are those goods which can be seen as well as which can be touched. For example, cloth, furniture, books, gold, etc. Non-material goods or services which cannot be touched or which cannot be seen. For example, the services of professor or lawyer or doctor are not considered as a wealth, so they remain outside the scope of study of economics. The third main feature is the causes of wealth. There are two ways of increasing the wealth. Number one, by increasing the supply of goods through large scale production. It is made possible by savings of the community. And secondly, by increasing the demand for goods through extension of market. And the last feature is economic man. Now, according to this definition, a man who is fully aware of his self-interest and who makes persistent efforts to achieve his selfish ends to the maximum, such a man it is called as economic man. Then you write the merits, and the main merits of wealth definition is that it has helped to develop economics as an extensive and independent study concerning the problem of wealth. Economics, it is used to be treated as a study which deals with the state activities concerning with wealth, trade and agriculture activities of the state. According to wealth definition, the purpose of study of economics is to increase the prosperity of both individual and the state. Next, you will write about the criticism of this theory. And this theory has been, or this definition has been criticized by the social reformers and thinkers of 19th century like Ruxin, Morris, etc. Main points of criticism of the wealth definition are as follows. That is, number one, this definition has given more emphasis on wealth and they have not given more importance to man. The second is that they have given the narrow meaning of wealth. According to this definition, wealth means only the tangible material goods such as apple, furniture, decks, etc. and non-material goods or services like that of dancer, doctors, nurse, lawyers have been excluded from it. Next criticism is the concept of economic man. The economic activities of man are influenced not only by his self-interest, but it is also by the moral, social, religious and other factors. Economics, therefore, it is a study of real social human beings and not of an economic man. Next criticism point is that it neglects the welfare. This definition, it lays too much emphasis on the study of wealth-getting activities alone. It pays no attention to the economic well-being of the society by the proper use and equitable distribution of wealth. Next is the neglect of problem of scarcity and choice. This definition it completely ignores the study of two main features of the economic activities, that is scarcity as well as choice. The economic activities are undertaken because not only the goods and services satisfying the human wants are scarce, but also they have several uses. Wants being unlimited and economic goods have several uses being limited, there arise a problem of choice. Wealth definition has ignored both these characteristics of economic activities. Next one is the neglect of means to attain the wealth. The wealth can be obtained through proper and lawful means, and it can also be obtained through illegal as well as antisocial activities like black marketing, tax evasion, smuggling, etc. This definition gives no clear indication as to whether the wealth be obtained through legal or illegal means. So, as a matter of fact, economics studies exclusively those means of wealth getting which are lawful and just. Then the last point of criticism is that it has narrow subject matter. This definition has restricted in the scope and subject matter of economics. In fact, it does not study the acquisition of material goods alone. According to Lord Keynes, the study of economics should give the material goods as well should includes the material good as well as the non-material services such as that of lawyers, teachers as well as nurses, etc. So on the whole we can say that economics that is not merely a study of wealth. So with definition of economics it is a little bit vague and has the narrow concept.